Prove your wildlife wisdom. This rapid-fire challenge separates the true nature lovers. Get ready to guess.
Which creature creates the largest structure on Earth? What unique mammal can genuinely fly? Halfway there, nature enthusiast. How's your score looking? Keep that brain buzzing. Identify the only continent without reptiles. Which bird performs the longest non-stop migration? Which animal boasts the longest neck proportionally? Incredible, how many did you conquer? Every correct answer proves your connection to the wild. Comment your score below and challenge a friend. Follow for more daily brain boosts.